What's something people don't know about grammar? It can actually be fun. Let's dive into is, are, and am. Okay, parents, here's the scoop. Is like a superhero for one thing. Think of it like this. The toy is red. One toy. Next up, are. Are is the team player. When there's more than one, are steps in. The toys are fun. Multiple toys, multiple smiles. Finally, am. This one's all about me. Or, well, your kid. I am happy. It's personal and always follows I. So to recap, be is for one thing, are for multiple things, and am when it's all about I. Easy peasy, right? Remember, practice makes perfect. Try it with your kids using their favorite toys or animals. They'll be grammar pros in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.